Standing back swipe to 90-90 rollback. Start by stepping forward and back swiping with the leg, then landing that same knee on the floor and rotating your shin under your hips. From there you're going to rotate into your 90-90 with a rollback. So step, back swipe, land that knee on the floor, slide the shin under the hips and drop down into your 90-90 rollback. From here you're going to pivot out into your squat. The initial step requires your hands to go down on the floor close to that bent base leg, and then the knee goes down and then you swipe it underneath your hips to go into your 90-90 for the rollback. Try to keep the hands relatively close here to that base leg so that you can drop into your 90 and keep a nice close control of your center of mass. So step forward, place the hands quite close to that base leg as you do your back swipe. From there you've got your rollback. On the exit of your 90-90, as you will see here after the rollback, you want to bring that hand nice and close to the thigh in order to push right out of the squat with minimal readjustments. Another thing we are looking for during the rollback is to roll right onto the side of the body, the side of the shoulder and the arm here in order to get a smooth spiral and push out.